Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So another crazy, insanely volatile day today. Absolutely incredible with those news, with those new threats from Trump. So absolutely incredible day today, and let's hope this week will be as busy as Monday. So let's have a look on the NQ chart. Look on the 3 minute chart right here. So pre-market, we had a double bottom on the 618 Fibonacci retracements from the 2022 lows. We already spoken about a lot of times that it can be a potentially a good zone for the bulls to try to hold, right? So let's have a look on this market open. So on a 3 minute chart, you can see that we broke the opening range and had that insane couple of candles on that fake news, right? So we went up to 18 for around 18 400, and then White House came and said that it was a fake news, and we sold off again. So but of course we started to chop after that news and rejection. And of course, yes, you can see that we were trying to reclaim this pre-market high, which we eventually did, and ranging to the upside uh, from that levels. But of course, this is an insanely volatile market. I would suggest so staying away must be the best scenario for you guys, for most of the traders at least, if you don't have the stomach to handle this situation. So yeah, very crazy price action. But of course, we already uh, closed this new week opening gap right here, and we basically had a close uh, above the previous day low right here, which is always a good sign for the upside momentum, at least for a short term. But of course, yeah, anything can happen. This is a news market, so market is very reactive because it is very illiquid. The volatility is too high. We are going to speak about the VIX in coming minutes. And yeah, so let me tell you one thing too. So this is pretty much of a rangy price action right now, and uh, we are waiting for CPI this week, by the way. Let me open the chart. So we are waiting FOMC minutes first of all on Wednesday, and then on Thursday we are waiting for CPI. This is the first CPI after the tariffs, where tariffs are in effect. So yes, so PPI on Friday too. Getting back to the NQ chart, this is a 3 minute chart, and yeah, nothing to see here. This spike was absolutely incredible, more than 1,000 points. So this is crazy markets, nothing to trade. And finally, let's have a look on the VIX chart. So this is the 15-minute VIX chart. You can see that we managed to close this volume imbalance from August 2024. And this can be a very much of a toppy sign to me, especially if you look at this bear flag right here, right? And of course, most probably in the coming days, we can see uh, the closure of this 38.6 inch insufficiency right here before we decide we are going to crash down or we have another spike. So my main scenario for this week, probably will try to go down to close this insufficiency first. And the main supporter of this narrative for me is the option flow. Let's have a look on the out of the money exposure. You can see those huge 6-7 million spikes for the VIX. This can well be the out of the money calls taking profit, but of course this is kind of a sentiment check for me, that markets are trying to hedge the volatility to the downside from here. But of course, some in the money hedging is going on for too. So, in my opinion, this week can be a bounce week. In the markets, it means the VIX will go down. But of course, any kind of crazy news and the VIX will have another spike. So that's pretty much it, guys, for today. So this was a quick review. Thanks for tuning in and have a good one. Bye.